section 1 questions. X square minus 2x plus 1 is a polynomial in one variable because it contains only x. A binomial of degree 20 in the following is. Now a binomial is a polynomial having two terms. So this contain two terms, this also contain two terms. All these contain two terms, but the degree of polynomial is 20. X minus x cube is a cubic polynomial because its highest power, that is degree, is 3. The coefficient of x in 7x square plus 6x minus 2, coefficient of x is 6. X square minus x is a quadratic polynomial because highest power is 2. The area of rectangle 6x square plus 11x minus 10, the possible dimensions of its length and breadth are. Here we need to factorize a given polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. Here the product of coefficient of x and constant term is minus 60. Whenever our c term is negative, we have to factorize the middle term in two terms having different signs. We have to factorize 11x such that product of those two terms will be minus 60 and their difference will be 11. Such terms are 15 and 4. Product is 60, difference is 11. Now the bigger number, as we have discussed, the numbers will have different signs. We have to decide their signs. The bigger will get sign of middle term. 15 is bigger, so it will be positive, and the smaller will be negative. Now let us factorize this. Two x can be taken common, so here we have 3x minus 2 plus 5 can be taken common, so this is 3x minus 2. So our factors are 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 5. If this is area of a rectangle, this can be considered as length and breadth. So these are called as dimensions of the rectangle, and the correct option is 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 2. Option B is correct. X plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of x cube plus 10x square plus mx plus n. X plus 2 is factor, therefore minus 2 is 0. Therefore by factor theorem, if we consider this polynomial as px, p of minus 2 must be equal to 0. Let us put x is equal to minus 2 in this polynomial. Minus 2 cube is minus 8 plus 10 into minus 2 square is plus 4, so this is 40. M into minus 2 is minus 2m plus n will be equal to 0. So what we have, 2m plus n, this simplifies to 32 plus 32. After transposition it will be minus 32. This is one equation. Also x minus 1 is factor. Therefore 1 is 0 of the polynomial. Therefore p of 1 will be equal to 0. Let us put x is equal to 1 in this polynomial. 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square is 1 into 10 is 10 plus 1 into m is m plus n will be equal to 0. So we get m plus n is equal to, this is 11, after transposition it will become minus 11. This is equation 2. Now let us simplify this for n. N is minus 11 and this transposed m is minus m. Now let us put this value of n here. Plus minus 11 minus m is equal to minus 32. These are like terms, they have same sign. So this is minus 3m is equal to minus 32 plus 11. That is minus 21. Signs are different, so we find out difference. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, bigger number is negative. So m is minus 21 upon minus 3, which is equal to 7. If we put value of m here, we get n as minus 11 minus 7, which is equal to, n is equal to minus 18. So 7 and minus 18. M is 7 and n is minus 18. This is our option, correct option. P of x is given, then find P of 2 root 2. Px is x square minus 2 root 2 into x plus 1. P of 2 root 2 means you have to put 2 root 2 in place of x. So this is 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 2 into, in place of x, 2 root 2 plus 1. This is 2 root 2 square, and 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is 2 root 2 square plus 1. These are exactly same terms and their difference will be equal to 0, so our answer is 1. Which of the following expression is quadratic polynomial? Highest power is 3, so it is cubic. Highest power is 1, so it is linear. Highest power is 3, so cubic, and this is our quadratic polynomial because the highest power is 2. 0 of the polynomial Px is equal to Cx plus D is, to find out 0 of a polynomial, equate that polynomial to 0 and solve the expression for x. This is our polynomial. To get 0, write as polynomial is equal to 0. Now we will transpose this D. It will get subtracted, that is opposite of addition. So Cx is equal to 0 minus D is minus D. Now to find out value of x, we transpose C, which is multiplying here. So after transposition it will divide, and this is value of x, which is 0 of the given polynomial. So option D is correct. Which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor? A polynomial which will simplify to 0 after we put x is equal to minus 1 will have x plus 1 as its factor. The factor x plus 1, if x plus 1 is factor, then P of minus 1 must be equal to 0. because 0 of this is minus 1. So if this one is a factor, then p of minus 1 must be equal to 0. Let us solve expression A for minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. This one is minus 1 because value of x is minus 1, and this is also minus 1. This will get cancelled, but this is not equal to 0. Let us solve for B. Minus 1 raised to 4 is 1. Minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. X value is minus 1. So here we write minus 1, and this is plus 1. This will become 0. This will become 0. So the simplification is not 0. Let us solve for C. Minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 plus 3 into x cube म्हणजे minus 1 cube, that is 3 into minus 1, which is minus 3. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. This value of x is minus 1 plus 1. This will get cancelled. This will become 0, but we have simplification 1 which is not equal to 0. Let us solve for D. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 2 plus root 2 into this minus 1. This term is negative, and if x value is minus 1, minus of minus becomes plus. Let us simply, if we open the bracket, this is minus 2 plus 2, then root 2 plus root 2. This will become 0, but this is also not equal to 0. So there is some mistake in this question. Statement A, assertion 2 is 0 of polynomial px is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Let us put x is equal to 2. That is p of 2. P of 2 is 2 square is 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6 minus 4. This is minus 2 minus 4. This is not 0. So this statement is false. Putting x is equal to 2, we get x is equal to minus 6. So value of this polynomial for x is equal to 2 is minus 6. But as it is not equal to 0, 2 is not 0 of the polynomial. So reason R is true. Which of the following is a factor of a plus b cube minus a cube plus b cube? A plus b cube minus a cube plus b cube. A plus b cube is a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube minus a cube minus b cube minus a cube plus a cube minus b cube plus b cube will get cancelled. So 3ab into a plus b. So 3ab is factor of this simplification. So option D is correct. Px is equal to x square minus 3 root 3x plus 1. Then what is p of 3 root 3? Put 3 root 3 in place of x. X square means 3 root 3 square minus 3 root 3, and value of x is 3 root 3 plus 1. This is 3 root 3 square minus this is also square, 3 root 3 square plus 1. These are exactly same terms, but this is subtraction. Subtraction will be 0 and answer will be 1. Section B. Find value of k for which this polynomial has 3 as its 0. If 3 is 0 of polynomial px, which is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus k, then by factor theorem p of 3 is equal to 0. Let us find out p of 3. Put x is equal to 3. So 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus k will be equal to 0. This is 3 cube and this is also 3 cube. Plus 3 into 3 is 9 plus k is equal to 0. 3 cube minus 3 cube is 0 and value of k is minus 9. Factorize. Let us take 8 common. So in bracket we have a cube plus b cube, and a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Six root x plus x raised to 3 by 2 upon root x is a polynomial. Write whether the given statement is true or false and justify your answer. We can separate it like this: 6 root x upon root x plus x raised to 3 by 2 upon root x, that can be written as x raised to half. This root x will get cancelled. This simplification is 6, and this simplification is by using a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So this is x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 6 plus x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, denominators are equal. 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is 2 upon 2, that is 1. So the simplification is 6 plus x, where power of the variable is 1, which is a whole number. So is a polynomial. And this given statement is true. As power of x is 1, which is a whole number. Expand by using identity. This is some more difference of three terms. So the related identity is a plus b plus c square, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Therefore, x minus 2y plus z whole square is x square plus minus 2y square plus z square plus 2 into a is x, b is minus 2y, 2bc. So 2 into value of b is minus 2y and value of c is z plus 2 into c, that is z, into a is x. So this is x square, square is always positive, so this is 4y square plus z square. In product of three terms, if one term is negative, then the product is negative. So this is 2 into 2, 4 xy. Again here in this product of three terms, one term is negative, that will make the product negative, and this is minus 4yz plus 2 zx.